Okay, children, let me continue. Already I gave differentiate 2. This is the third one. Ingestion and adgestion. It's in page number 234 and 238. Both are not in the same page. First one, that ingestion in page number 234 and adgestion in page number 238. First you take 234. Under the heading Human Digestive System, second paragraph, first line. Did you take down? Under the heading Human Digestive System, second paragraph, first line. The process of nutrition begins with intake of food called ingestion. The process of nutrition begins with intake of food called ingestion. Over. And adgestion in page number 238. That's all, only one point. Now you take down page number 238. In that opposite side, last paragraph. Did you take down page number 238? The opposite side, the last paragraph. The undigested or, did you find out? The undigested, before activity 2. The undigested or unassimilated portion of ingested food material is thrown out from the body through the anal apparatus as fecal matter. This is known as adgestion or defecation. The undigested or unassimilated portion of ingested food material is thrown out from the body through the anal apparatus as fecal matter. This is known as adgestion or defecation. Finish writing, finish marking. Shall I go for the other one? Fourth one, diphodont and heterodont. That is D. Diphodont, diphodont and heterodont. Answer in page number 235. Take page number 235. Ready? Under the heading structure of alimentary canal, third paragraph, teeth. Did you find out? Third paragraph, teeth. In the third line, third paragraph, teeth, third line. In human beings, did you find out? Third line. Under the heading structure of alimentary canal, third paragraph, teeth. Side heading is what? Teeth. In that third line. In human beings, 2 sets of teeth are developed in their lifetime. First point. The first separating set of 20 teeth are called temporary or mill teeth, are replaced by the second set of 32 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. Again, just go through 2 points here. We have to write in the 2 points. First point, in human beings, the 2 sets of teeth are developed in their lifetime. First point. Second point, the first appearing set of 20 teeth are called temporary or mill teeth, are replaced by the second set of 32 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. Close the bracket. That's all. For what I said, diphodont and heterodont, the same paragraph, last 3 lines. Okay? Permanent teeth are of 4 types, heterodont, first point. Second point, according to the structure and function, namely incisor, canines, premolars and molars. 2 points. Clear? Permanent teeth are of 4 types. First point. Second point is according to the structure and function, namely incisors, canine, premolar and molars. Over? Any doubts? Okay. Next one. That is fifth differentiate. Next one is incisors and canines. E. INCI. Incisors and Canines. This is also in page number 235 only. 235. Take again the same page 235. Here in the tabular column, you just write like this under the heading incisors. You write like this. The tabular column is given, say. Eight teeth used for cutting and piercing, Piercing. Here, canines, 4 teeth used for, this is first point, this is second point. The same like this one is first and this one is second. Used for tearing, Tearing. Tearing and piercing. Children, here used for cutting and biting. Sorry, not piercing here. Piercing should be there only. Cutting and biting. Biting. Cutting and biting. Here used for tearing and piercing. Clear? So differentiate over. We have to go for question and answers. Answer briefly. Next one is what? Answer briefly. It's in page. Answer briefly. How is the small intestine designed to absorb digested food? The answer is in page number 236. Take page number 236 first. Ready? The last line. Then opposite side, last line. That is under the heading of small intestine, duodenum, jejunum, ilium. The side of ilium. See. Last line. Ilium is the longest part of the, did you find out? Ilium is the longest part of the small intestine. It consists minute finger-like projections called villi, where absorption of food takes place. They are approximately 4 million in number. Internally, each villus contains fine blood capillaries and lacteal tube. The small intestines serve both for digestion and absorption. Close the brackets. Okay? In between bracket words are there, no 1 millimeter in length, that not necessary. Strike out the bracket statements. Again, just go through in page number 236. The last line from the opposite side. Ilium is the longest part of the small intestine. It contains minute finger-like projections called villi, where absorption of food takes place. They are approximately 4 million in number. Internally, each villus contains fine blood capillaries and lacteal tubes. This small intestine serves both for digestion and absorption. Over? Okay. Now next one is, why do we sweat? It's in page number 239. Why do we sweat? Page number what is it? 239. Ready children? Under the heading skin, second paragraph. The human body function normally. Did you find out? The human body functions normally at a temperature about 37 degrees centigrade. When it gets hot, sweat glands start secreting sweat, which contains water with small amount of other chemicals like ammonia, urea, lactic acid and salts. Underline mainly sodium chloride. The sweat passes through the pores of the skin and gets evaporated. Clear? That is the paragraph, last paragraph full. Under the heading skin, second paragraph full. In between you strike out the bracket mainly sodium chloride. Okay? And the next one is mention to any vital functions of human kidney. It's in page number 240. 240. Under the heading function of kidney, how many points are there? 4 points. But in the question they are asked only 2 points. Never mind, learn all the 4 points, write all the 4 points. Maintains the fluid and electrolytes balance in our body. Regulates acid and base balance of blood. Maintains the osmotic pressure of the blood and tissues. Helps to retain the important plasma constituents like glucose and amino acids. Learn all the 4 points. Okay. Next one. What is mixed urination? What is? Fourth answer. What is mixed urination? It's in page number 241. Mixed urination only. It's in page number 241. Here, page number 241, first side, first paragraph, first side itself. That is, Nephron diagram is there, no? Above the diagram. Okay, above the diagram. Second line last. Nephron diagram, above the diagram. Diagram ku mele parunga. Second line. When the urinary bladder is full. Did you find out? Fourth answer it is. When the urinary bladder is full, the urine is expelled out through the urethra. This process is called mixed urination. A healthy person excretes 1 to 2 liters of urine per day. Clear? When the urinary bladder to 1 to 2 liters of urine per day, till that. Finish marking. Shall I go for another answer? Fifth answer. Name the type of teeth. Name the type of teeth present in adult human being. Mention the function of each. You have to answer. That is in page number 235. Take page number 235 now. In this last tabular columns is there, no? Types of teeth, table 20.2. What is that? 20.2 types of teeth and their function. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. So all the 4 you have to write as it is, like in the tabular form. Clear, children? And the last one, last short answer. Explain the structure of nephron. It's in page number 240. Explain the structure of nephron. Actually, though it is short answer, it is paragraph answer only. you can write for the 5-mark question. Structure of nephron. Under the heading, structure of nephron. Each kidney consists of, did you find out? Each kidney consists of more than one, from that to, each kidney consists of more than 1 million nephron. Nephrons are uriniferous tubules or structural and functional units of kidney. Each nephron consists of renal corpuscles or malphizian corpuscles and renal tubule. The renal capsule consists of cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule containing a bunch of capillaries called glomerulus. Blood enters the glomerular capillaries through the afferent arterioles and leaves out through the efferent arterioles. The Bowman's capsule continues as a renal tubule which consists of 3 regions: proximal convoluted tubule, U-shaped hairpin loop, the loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule open into the collecting tubule. The nitrogenous waste are drained into renal pelvis, which leads to ureters and stored in the urinary bladder. Urine is expelled out through the urethra. So diagram also you have to do, nephron diagram also. So this is 5-mark question only. It is not under 2 mark. And children, next we have to say detailed answer. I don't think there is much time for me to say the answers. So let us go for assertion and reason type question. So objectives are the 4 options are given to you. First one is both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Second one, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Third one, assertion is true but reason is false. Fourth one, both assertion and reason are false. So only thing, when the question is given to you, all the 4 options will be, you have to pick the correct option and write. First question is what? Urea is excreted out through the kidneys. Reason, urea is a toxic substance. So both we feel correct only. So what's the answer for that? A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. You have to write answer full sentence you have to write. You should not write A alone. So you must write A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Entire sentence you have to copy down while writing the exam. Next one. Second one. In both the sexes gonads perform dual function. Reason, gonads are also called primary sex organ. So this also both are correct only. So the same A answer, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Clear? The next one, the diagram is given, see. This is actually female uterus. The parts are marked in that. Whether the order is correct or not, you have to see. 4 options are given for that. A, B, C, D. Fallopian tube, oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina. Like that, how many options are given for you? 4 options. Second one is oviduct. Third one is ovary. Fourth one is fallopian tube. As per the diagram, which is the correct option? The D. That is the first one is fallopian tube. Second one is ovary. Third one is cervix. Fourth one is uterus. And fifth one is vagina. Okay. So which is the correct option for that? D is the correct option. So children, high order thinking skills and all we don't want. I choose the correct answer. All the objectives. Objectives you no need to write in the classwork. Only differentiate, answer briefly and answer in detail. Answer in detail. Assertion reason also you no need to write in the classwork. Only briefly, match and detail. Detail answer I have not given. I will give in other class. Okay. Thank you children.